Solve the inequality and then write the solution set in interval notation. We have negative 2x plus 8, which is less than or equal to 18. So let's go ahead and write this problem down. So we have negative 2x plus 8, which is less than or equal to 18. So we're going to solve this as if we were solving an equation. In this case, we're solving an inequality because there's an inequality symbol in this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 8 to both sides. Okay, so what happens after we subtract 8 to both sides? We end up getting negative 2x, and then this gives you 0, and then it's going to be less than or equal to, well, 18 minus 8 is going to give us 10. Okay, now the next step is that we need to divide both sides by negative 2 to isolate the variable. Now whenever you divide or multiply by a negative number, then you immediately need to flip the inequality. So therefore, in step number 3, we have negative 2 divided by negative 2, which gives us x, and then 10 divided by negative 2 is going to give us negative 5. And so therefore, that is our answer. Now, we need to then rewrite this in interval notation. So remember, if we want to write this in interval notation, we're going from negative infinity to positive infinity. And now let's locate where negative 5 is. So negative 5 is to the left of 0. And if you notice, it says greater than or equal to, so we have a bracket, and it's going towards positive infinity. So therefore, we have the interval notation. It starts at bracket negative 5, and it's going towards positive infinity. And there is our interval notation solution. So let's go ahead and put that in there. So we have a bracket. Okay, so I'm not sure if there's a bracket in here. And if there's not, you can always use your keyboard. So we have bracket negative 5, comma, positive infinity. Let me make sure this is a negative 5, and then we have our parenthesis, press check answer, and there is our result.